How to post status on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your WhatsApp application and then open it. Now, simply go to updates. Here you will find an option of My Status. Tap on it. Now, you can either choose to add text, images and videos, or you can also add some voice for your post status on WhatsApp. Now I will use text. Here I will simply be posting this and then sending it like this. Simply change your status. Make sure it is set to my contacts and you will be able to share it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.